Hi everyone! As you know it, October is a special month for all of us at Lee Myles Auto Care and Transmissions. It's Breast Cancer Awareness Month and our annual Breaks for Breast event is officially here. We've gotten a lot of questions about how this all works, so today we're answering your top questions. Let's get right to it.
So what exactly is the Breaks for Breast campaign? I saw you guys did it last year, but I didn't need new brakes yet.
It's a national movement that unites hundreds of independent auto shops like ours. Every October, we work together to support breast cancer research. It's a simple way for the automotive community to make a huge impact.
So how does getting my brakes done actually help?
When you come in for a brake service, you receive the brake pads for free. You only pay for the labor and other necessary parts. We then donate 10% of that service cost directly to the Cleveland Clinic Breast Cancer Vaccine Research Fund. So your brake pad replacement directly funds groundbreaking research.
So I get to replace my old worn down brake pads that look like these with new ones for free while helping a good cause?
That's exactly right.
So you mentioned a vaccine research fund. Tell me more about that.
We're helping to fund groundbreaking research at the Cleveland Clinic. Their team has successfully tested a breast cancer prevention vaccine in the lab, and our donations help fund the research to get it closer to clinical use.
So it's about prevention.
Exactly. While treatments are better than ever, this campaign is about hope. Hope for prevention so that future generations won't have to face this disease. The research is focused on triple-negative breast cancer, which is the most lethal form, but the long-term goal is to expand those efforts to other types of breast cancer, as well as ovarian and prostate cancers.
And how do my donations help?
Donations go directly to the research itself. Last year alone, independent auto shops across the country raised over $272,000 to support this work. Every contribution truly matters and helps move this vital research forward.
What if my car doesn't need any brake services?
That's a great question. You can still help. Even if you don't need the work done, you can help by spreading the word about the campaign. The more people who participate, the bigger impact we can make.
How do I know if I need a brake service? What are some of the signs?
The best way to know for sure is to have them inspected, but there are some common signs that you can look out for. Listen for squealing or grinding noises when you brake. Also, a shaking steering wheel or a brake pedal that feels spongy and goes too far down are strong indicators that you might need a brake checkup.
So you're saying if I come in for a brake repair service, I can help fight breast cancer?
Exactly. It's about combining your vehicle's safety with a powerful cause. You get a crucial car repair and help fund a future where breast cancer is a thing of the past. It's a true win-win. Oh, here.
Sweet, a free t-shirt too? But what if I need a different kind of auto repair?
This campaign is specifically for brake services. However, at Lee Myles Auto Care and Transmissions, we offer a full range of car maintenance and repair services. We are here for all of your automotive needs, from oil changes to engine repair and everything in between.
So, how do I schedule an appointment anyways?
You can call any of our 4 Berks County locations or visit us on our website. We have locations in Reading, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, and Wyomissing. We invite everyone to join Lee Myles this October. Let's unite for a cause that matters. Your car will thank you, and so will countless others. Bye-bye.